Oh, okay. After this donut shop, slow down. It's gonna be this building right. Right. It says the grill. Yep. You're open. Is there a line? Woohoo! Here we go, boy. There's a line at the door. Oh my gosh! What is going on?
I mean, I can't back up into that spot.
We are in the right spot, I guess.
Man.
Yeah. All right. So tonight we're at a spot called The Grill by Miss. I think it's Miss G. The Grill by Miss G. This spot is in Hayward, California. It used to be called Toto's Grill. They changed the name. I mean, probably new ownership. Been here a long time ago, but should still be the same type of idea. A Filipino street food spot where you can grill your own skewers, your meats of your own selection. Getting ready to do this. And I have created by Brandon, who's parking right now.
What up?
What up? Try to mosey on in here right now. What the heck? What's going on, dude?
Hey, isang kapatid lang to all the performers. Bago kayo mag-perform.
Is the restaurant still open or what?
Yeah, it's still open. Get rid of one of those G, bro. You know what I mean? Shout out to ground.
Grab a tray.
Hey, let's go.
Grab whatever you want to eat, and then cook over there.
I'm doing one time to see a fucking rapper.
Yeah, it's not different. Yeah.
Come on, this game for the jam. Okay. I'm gonna stay good. I'm from the Bay. I'm a shark like a big wood. Hey, rockin' with the bass. Now that's on my rip. Make some noise one time, man. Pussy's night. Doing the host rate.
Got some concerts going on here.
I was on the Chris Fest. Hey, Boston, phone me, how six told me, holy city, they're all shit. Go up and kill it like, hey. That's why I ain't never wasted. Don't start it, it's still my day. Don't start it, it's still my day. Get so up! Get so up! My friend is one of them something. Let's go get crack. I love your guys, you know. Yung iting ako, iya, kung agilong ko ay pako. Dito sa sinakat ako, isinilap.
All right, dude. Yo, thoughts?
Lots of sauces over there.
Lots of sauces.
Lots of sauces.
Lots of people. Dude. It's Filipino street food. You just kind of draw from whichever you pick, use the sauces, and get to eating pretty much.
This one?
This one, yeah. This one is called isao. So it's like pork intestine. Cheers. All right, wait.
Creamy.
It's like fatty. Yeah. The texture is like salt.
Yeah, super soft. Not what I was expecting.
Yeah.
Fatty, creamy.
Yeah. Like a gelatinous type of texture. Oh man. They had some type of concert here. I'm not sure who was performing. I guess they're pretty popular for this community here. But it was like crowded here. But at least we got a table to sit on. Yeah. Like we barely got to sit. Another bite. I added the vinegar on this one now. Wow.
I'm gonna regret this, but
What?
because there's so much to go through.
Oh yeah. So I'm gonna move on now. I'll do the liver. Look at this liver. Look at that. And I think I'm gonna go directly. Well, I guess I'll try natural first. All right, man. Cheers.
All right, cheers.
That's not a bad taste. It's actually sweet, barbecue-y. That liver irony taste. I don't much prefer, but I've grown accustomed to eating liver. I don't know what that is. How is it? Not bad?
Good. The sauce is kind of sweet. Like lightly sweet.
Okay.
Pretty good though.
All right, here we go. Try that. Oh. Right. Like a nutty sweet sauce. Almost like a satay sauce. I'm good with my liver deck now. Where's to go next, dude? What is that thing?
Sticker things.
Oh, stickers? Yeah, this is like a type of wonton sumai style. All right, man. Cheers.
Cheers.
Good. Pot sticker.
Yeah.
Oh. Look. Spongy and meaty, and you got the crispiness from that wonton wrapper. Yeah, that was filling. Wow. So far, so good.
So far, so good.
I'm kind of parched right now. All right, sit. $3 can of soda. You better enjoy that. So this looks like another intestinal type of organ. Let's sauce it, huh?
Vinegar?
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Pink one?
Yeah, pink one. Pink vinegar. Hey, this is your first time trying Filipino street food, right?
Yeah, this is my first time with any of this. Yeah.
All right, man. What do you think so far?
No, so far it's pretty good.
All right, all right.
Fight.
Whoa. That's also nice and gelatinous and soft. Some stuff on the inside.
Yeah. The texture is much more obvious in this one. Like there's that chewy texture.
Yeah.
But I think the other one had a little bit better flavor.
Yeah.
But this is pretty good.
It is pretty good. I just hope we thoroughly cooked it. The heat wasn't even on. It's like laid it on the grill with no fire, thinking that it's cooked. Why is everything so squishy? Oh man. All right, no. We should be all right. We're still doing the thing here. Something crispy. There's a crispy bit here. This is the fried version.
All right.
We need to dip this in the vinegar.
All right.
Little picture of that real quick. Video of that.
All right.
Cheers, dude.
Cheers.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah. That's good with the vinegar on there.
Okay. Crispy, fatty, meaty. Oh yeah. That's good. Yeah.
It's got that satisfying at the end. It's got that satisfying flavor.
Yeah. Crunch.
Yeah, a little crunch and then
Like a chicharron.
yeah.
Like a chicharron. Oh, that was yummy.
Yeah.
Oh man, right now this is probably winning as one of the favorites right now. At this moment, it might just take the win. But these are still really good Filipino street food items here. I definitely am gonna come back for that later. Yeah, that grilled chicken.
This one.
Maybe it's natural.
Yeah.
No sauce. Yeah,
No sauce.
Chicken. All right. All right, man. Cheers.
All right, cheers. That's some good grilled chicken right there.
Not bad.
Cooked to perfection.
Oh wow, yours is cooked to perfection. Mine was a little dry, but I still like the barbecue grill style. And it's not bad. A little dry.
That's all on the chef, man. Mine was grilled to perfection. Moist and juicy. Still good.
No heat on my grill. No fire. We're familiar with these. What do you think these are?
They look more like an egg roll than a lumpia, but maybe they're thick lumpia.
Lumpia. Yep, we got the lumpia.
Yeah.
Try sweet and sour?
Sweet and sour.
Okay, sweet and sour sauce.
Cheers.
Veggie lumpia. The potatoes, cabbage bits, and ground carrots.
First time ever had vegetable lumpia, but interesting.
I don't know. I don't know what that is.
I don't know. Yours looks undercooked.
Yours looks overcooked. All right. That's what happens. You leave it on the fire.
All right, cheers. It's good.
It's a fish steak. It's a fish steak. Okay. So it's a type of fish steak. And that's not bad. Good crunch. I like the flavor. It's soft on the inside and crispy on the outside.
It's definitely really good. I like it.
I need-
With vinegar, I think it'd be really good.
Do it. Do it.
All right, vinegar.
Do it.
All right, a little bit of vinegar.
This is D right here.
All right.
Good.
You know, that vinegar acidity, really good.
Nice. Vinegar.
That vinegar acidity is what I
Vinegar
was trying to
acidity,
say. But I think
yeah.
I said vinegar acidity.
Adobo. So longanisa is a sweet sausage.
Okay.
So, but here we have him on a stick. Longanisa on a stick, man.
All right,
Good,
let's
man.
do it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Sweet sausage.
Sweet sausage. A little bit of crunch on the casing.
Yeah. Yeah, that char, but the interior is crunchy and sausagey. Nice casing. Nice casing.
Good flavor.
Longanisa. Yum.
Just a hot dog. Just a hot dog. A red hot dog. Red hot dog.
There we go, man.
All right, do it. That's a good red hot dog.
It's a hot dog.
It's a red hot dog. Can't beat a red hot dog.
This is a little lobster roll. Take a bite of this one. Bite. And it's dark. It's imitation lobster, but whatever. It is what it is. That's tasty. Spongy. Lobster balls on a stick. Lighting is all on you.
We got the chicken foot here. I've never had a chicken foot before.
You know what they call this?
No, I'm gonna call this. My wife's gonna be jealous because she loves chicken feet. Does it taste like chicken, but very good flavor? It's kind of salty.
Yeah.
Really good.
Brandon's going to town on those chicken feet.
Oh, grabbing the meaty part right here.
Yeah.
Might be the fall, I guess.
Yeah. Adidas, like Adidas shoes.
Adidas.
Adidas, yeah.
Ah.
These are called Adidas. The last thing here, the dessert portion.
All right.
Sesame balls.
All right. Sesame balls. Awesome. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's got that bean filling, right?
Yup.
Yeah, they got a sweet bean filling.
This was my favorite. The fried intestine, the chicharron.
Chicken feet. number
Adidas.
two. Yeah,
Adidas.
Adidas was good.
Yeah. Oh. All right, that was The Grill by Miss G. Filipino street food. Something lodged in my throat. Oh, yes, my drink. Anyways, before I die here, check them out if you're ever in Hayward. Be sure to check to see if it's family friendly. They have concerts going on here and there, so it is a Saturday night. So anyways, that's about it. As always, enjoy the bite life. Later.